Learning how to machine quilt is so much more fun when you can do it with others. Hi everybody, I'm Angela Walters from quiltingismytherapy.com, and I'm super excited to announce my new upcoming video series, the Floral Frames Free Motion Challenge Quilting Along. Throughout this free video series, I'll be sharing techniques and tips for quilting the borders of your quilt. Not only will I show you some of my favorite designs for those areas, I'll also talk about how to turn the corner with your designs, how you can use motifs to break up the borders and make them a little easier to manage. I'll also show you that what you put around your designs is just as important as the designs themselves. I'll be demonstrating the designs and the techniques on a sewing machine and a long arm, whether you're a brand new quilter just wanting to improve your free motion quilting skills, or an experienced quilter looking for design ideas and inspiration. This video series is for you. It's almost just like having a private class with me. The best part, it's absolutely free. Plus, participating is so easy. First, gather your quilting supplies. If you'd like, you can quilt along with me on the custom panel I designed for this video series. This is the perfect way to get the experience of quilting on a quilt without the time and money involved in piecing it. Plus, there's 2 different size options to pick from. You can also check out the coordinating thread collection I put together for the panel. I pick out these thread colors because I know they're going to look great on the panel and make your quilting shine. Once the series starts on May 9th, watch the videos as they come out, then practice quilting along with me with that week's challenge. Then join me for my weekly live chats on Thursdays at 3 p.m. Central, where I answer your questions live and go into a little bit more detail about that week's challenge. Then it's time to show off your beautiful work. You can connect with other quilters on our Free Motion Challenge Quilting Along Facebook group. This is a perfect way to cheer each other on, show your progress, and ask questions. And then when you're finished, I promise you're going to feel more confident and excited about machine quilting. To learn more about the Free Motion Challenge Quilting Along or the products that you've seen in this video, just click the link in the description box or scan the QR code. And I'll be seeing you soon in the next Free Motion Challenge Quilting Along. And until then, everybody, happy quilting.